Look at the squirrel and the bird. They was beefing earlier. Look at them. Look. What's that, baby? What's going on? What happened? Who started it? Who started? Is it the bird or the squirrel? One of them somebody started something. I'm not sure. It's probably that dang on squirrel. Because you know birds, they just be chilling. And they don't bother nobody. So it must have been that squirrel. He rolled up. Alvin! That's Alvin. Alvin did it. Mm-hmm. Alvin did something. Because birds don't fool with nobody. That squirrel did something. It's absolutely hilarious. What that squirrel did? What that squirrel did? He probably was trying to catch it.